Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight volume continues to be lighter than what we've seen in the past. Bean prices are up anywhere from 13 to 14 cents a bushel. We rallied a little over 40 cents from the lows in just a few days. In the corn market, we're up about 2 cents. We were up about 6 cents overnight, but slow weekly export sales trimmed some of the gains. Wheat's anywhere from 6 to 8 cents higher. Overall, all the weekly export sales, beans, meal, wheat, and corn, were less than the market had expected. As far as newsy news overnight, China's GDP data came out not as bad as some people had feared. They had also made comments that they feel that their economy has bottomed, and that helps some of the Asian markets, which helps some of our grain markets. We also saw that their year-to-date hog output has risen about 5%, and that could increase the demand for imported beans. As far as global cash prices are concerned, we're kind of narrowing the gap between cheaper South American corn and U.S. corn, and that could help us down the road with our export demand, but our U.S. domestic basis is starting to firm as harvest is completed and end users want to add to coverage. Kind of the same thing in the bean market. We are the only game in town as far as exports are concerned, and domestically it feels like maybe the farmer hasn't sold as many beans as everybody would like, and we're starting to see a little firmness in the basis there. And globally, we did see Algeria yesterday buy South American wheat, which was kind of a surprise, but it could suggest that European wheat, especially on a milling quality, and Black Sea wheat may not be as readily available, and that could down the road help U.S. wheat export demand. As far as weather is concerned, we're going to be watching Brazil for the next couple of weeks. Southern Brazil is wet, but central and northern Brazil could be drying out, and so that could be a factor down the road. Here in the United States, we've got rain across the central and northern Midwest. Sure wish we could have had that in July instead of now, but the southern plains should remain dry, so we'll have to watch that too. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM. Have a safe and profitable trading day.
I think because they're saying how they would change the economy, and also you have a track record. Paul Ryan